What's good, YouTube? This is your boy Lincoln Gosling 647. Yes, says we're here. That way there, but that's my channel name. I'm sorry. Play Roblox, do something, grab everyone's attention to my channel. I don't want Minecraft subscribers. I want different. So this is a roller coaster theme park. How cool is that, guys? We're about to make the best roller coaster ever. If you guys want to join this and play with me, go ahead. Okay. This helps with the line. If you never played this game, you, everything that happens, everything. Oh, I don't want that. Okay, so I'm gonna delete it. I don't want that. No, no, no. I don't want that there. I don't want that there. Destroy it. You can. Oh, I don't want that, bro. I don't want that one, bro. You know, it's gonna look trashy for a while. I just don't want. Or should I change it? No. I want to delete this. Ooh, what just happened? Okay, click your belt right. Click that. Click my menu. This one. This one. Oh, okay. Boom. There you go. Open. Okay, hell, I just read this. Just looks so bad. But I'm not finished yet. Ooh! I hate this lag. R play. Okay, now I'm deleting. Just can't do. Oh my. Oh, it just lagged. What? Oh, you can't. Oh. You don't know which. Yeah, you do. I'm the one with less people. Okay, now it works. Now you want. Oh, God damn. Better hurry up before the right ends. Like, for real, for real. Boom. There you go. I'm gonna walk out. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna tell you what the daily bonus is. If you want to load, you wanna load daily bonus? Okay. Okay, daily bonus. You can claim this every 3 times so far. You have claimed a bonus 3 times. I have it. I've already done this one. But you can donate every 24 hours for your bonus. Um, you have to put both of these lines right here. This one just to get out. For you start here, you seen everything else. Shut up! You don't want a hat. If I put that. First, you gotta make a lot of money before you want to put something big, like a roller coaster. Let me show you the roller coaster. Um, the roller coaster. I want to show you. Okay, this is the jump ride. Here's the teacup. Here's the carousel, spiral slide, and the uh, something, something. And this is the Ferris wheel, the vintage cars custom pet track, the dark ride custom track. This is the plane ride, and there's a tent track. It's not really a tent, but eh. This is the drop tower, space rings, twister, and it's lagging like crap. The twister, spacing ship, temple tower, gravitation. Can't even say some of these. Enterprise, Frisbee, Fireball. Oh, that's a lot. Rocking, Dazzle, Top Spin, Swing Ride. It's not really called that, but okay. But here's all the roller coasters. I don't want to spend all my time reading all that. Alright, right now I'll go with 11G 406. And then here's the quad rides and the transportation rides. Want to load? Okay. I don't know what this is. There's a track for transportation. And yes, you can change these to whatever the color you want. Alright. For risers, ride appearance, thoughts, stats, and operations. Alright, here's the ride. You can put how much you want. If you want to put a testing, you can put a testing. You want to put it closed, you can put it closed. You can also change the name. You can change the name to whatever you want, but it has to be kid friendly. It doesn't matter. If you put it kid friendly, it don't matter. Kid, what's the name? Kid, Fred, Fred, kid, kid friendly. Okay, confirm. Now it's called kid friendly. It says on-ride music. Can you change the colors on here? Oh yeah, you can. You gotta go up. Appearance. Okay. You gotta click the actual color. Let's put it red. Okay. And then the support colors. Let's put it black. Ew. I'm just gonna leave it at that. The thoughts. Oh, see, different. It shows them what they all thinking about. Here's the stats. The stats, tell tell all the time, guest count, 28 guests. That's more than I have. And then there's all time income, like 280. This tells us how the guests feel, like what does it make them feel? Like if they feel dizzy, happy, excited, intense, nausea, all. Oh, this is you need a game pass for that. Alright, I'm gonna talk about the land. Wow. Oh, I'm just telling y'all about. First, I'm telling y'all about how to play this game. It's not hard. Okay, you can buy all these land except this spot. That you need to have a game pass for that. Tell me how to know. No. See, get the 8 extra expansion spots game pass, 8 extra spots of the land in all your parks. See, this is 8 that that you need to get. You can use all these lands like this guy. He didn't buy the other one because he got all the stuff. Um, you can get mostly anything on. This is the stars. Yeah. Oh, I need to put something before they all get mad. Oh, I hate this leg. But okay, other stalls. There's a restroom. See, I knew I need to put that there because they're really bathroom friendly. Put another one there. There you go. So they won't complain. Oh, this is only soft drinks. I need to put some food places. Here's all the things you can get. I'm very frustrated with this lag. Very, very, very. Probably gonna hear this all day. I'm gonna put birthplace. I'm gonna put a birthplace here, and then I'm gonna put slushy. Slushy is very popular in this game, like very, very popular. You want to work? I don't know why, but this being really laggy today. Usually never laggy, but I guess it wants to be a pain in the butt. Alright, get everything settled. First to start little, it's very a fun game. You can be very creative. It shows you what you want to be when you grow up. Alright. Okay, I'm gonna tell you other things too. I'm gonna go back over here, like here. Right here it says Loza V2003 theme park, right? Right. So here it says part. You know what? Okay, it says. You see that, right? Okay, that's there. You can change it. Hold up. Okay, you change it to who's the park owner. Well, no, you can't change that, but you can change the park name, and you can change the cost of the entry. Like you can, it will change the cost of the entry. People have to pay to go inside. If you don't want them to pay, is it possible? All right, let's change this. Let's change this. Blanky cost 647. There we go. Lincoln costing 647. My lord, let's land a better word. Six percent. Really? Really? Yeah, it does that. You can put it open or close. The park entry style. What's that? No entrance, default entrance. Uh, Surrounding terrain. Oh, terrain. Okay. I think. Okay, you can change that right there. You see all that? You can change that. And that's very nice though. Can you change something else? Dry grass, ice, snow. No, you can't. Ooh, you can change concrete. No, I want. What's that? Dry grass. I'm gonna keep that. Wait, I want. No, I'm gonna keep it. This one's work. Okay. You see right here? It says half a star. This is what people think of your ride. You can put it all the way over here. I never see it happen. Like you see that person does 153 people. You don't even have a full. I bet you don't have 5 stars. Is it this guy? You can make it however you want. You want to make it fancy, make it fancy. Please like, welcome to Yeet Land, fun rides, scary roller coasters. So you can make it however you want. You can change all of this. Just don't know how. I think you need to replace all of that. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, hold on. This has 31 likes. Yeah, he might have 5 stars, but he doesn't because he has 4.5. And it's very hard. I getting 4.5 stars is pretty hard. Like I didn't make him like he gets a lot of roller coasters. I never made it like that. But